Peace, love, and light, you guys. I am back with another snippet. Since I'm on the grind today with my garden, I decided to create a $20 compost bin out of a garbage can. So as you can see over here, this is where I've been actually composting, food waste, just anything that could decompose, cardboard, paper, leaves, fruit scrappings, everything but dairy, bones, and meat. And also coffee grinds help, the nitrogen help as well to break down the compost. So actually what I did was I just stacked two raised beds that I made to try to create something. And I've been just throwing in my scraps, like I said, food waste and grass clippings, leaves, and coffee grinds. And what I'm going to do is um, I'm going to actually clear that out so that I can use my raised beds, my little raised beds, for something else. And I'm gonna go over here by my cattle trellis, and I already started working on it. So this is the garbage can, and what you want to do with the garbage can is create holes for aeration, for air to go through, and also as time go by, the worms will begin to come into the compost and break the waste products down. So what you want to do is create holes on the front, the sides, and underneath to create that airflow. So let me finish drilling these holes in. I give you a little snippet of how easy it is. You want to put some elbow in it. I kind of did like this so that I could put some more elbow in it. And you want to space your holes out. So yeah, that's the idea of what I'm doing right now as far as creating a hole. So let me just get all the holes on the left and the right side and underneath where the garbage can is going to sit, and I'll bring that back to y'all finished up.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, that's the bottom of the bin. And the reason why you want to put your hose at the bottom of the bin is because you want the water to be able to drain out and any like fruit liquids to drain out. Yeah. And you have to keep your compost bin moist when you put your waste in there, like your leaves, your fallen
Purchase
leaves,
your tracks today.
your grass clippings, and your food waste. You want to keep it moist so that it can decompose down. hard to rake up all of it, but I do rake up some so that I can put that in the compost bin as well, and that breaks down really well too. And I also, as you can see, I added to all my raised bed. I put a layer of it on my raised bed to create nutrients. What's another compost? And let's see. This is already decomposing, as you can see. Got some of everything running around in here, chewing this stuff up. This is how it's turning black. This is what you want it to do. See all that matter? And you see the worms are actually coming in. See all that? That's good nutrients. Once it decomposes and turn black like that, you know you got some good compost coming. But it's a process. It's not an overnight thing. See that? All decomposing. Look at that. All decomposing. Gonna be black gold, y'all. It look crazy right now, but I guarantee you, once it decomposes and do what it needs to do, and the worms come, oh, look at that. See what it's doing, you guys? That's what you want it to do. Almost got it all, guys. And you want to put everything in here, but anything, you don't want plastic. So I'm going to have to make sure I don't pick up any of the plastic that comes off the boxes. Sometimes I forget to remove the plastic. there you have it, guys. And I'm gonna sprinkle some coffee grinds on here on the top to help that break down. And then I'm gonna water this in and let it sit, let it cook in the sun. We spray this down with some water. It's hot out here, y'all. And then what I'm going to do is come over here with my mower, clean this up some, and my weed whacker. And then what I'm going to do is actually use one of the raised beds and sit this on top of, so that the bottom part can get that air in there, so that it can break down. And you have to come out every so often and turn this in water. Okay, let me spray this down some.